Hi, my name is Erica Robinson, and this is the Augmentative and Assistive Technology Project. For this project, I chose the app Speech Blubs. I use it in my classroom for one of my students in particular who has a motor deficiency in speech. So Speech Blub is a voice-controlled speech therapy app, and it helps students to learn new sounds, words, and to practice speaking through video modeling, face filters, and speech recognition. I have a little video clip later on, but what it does is it can say the word, it'll say apple, and the student will repeat that word. And if the student says it correctly, then it'll like put little flowers around their head or put them in a spaceship and send them into space. So it's very engaging, and it not only incorporates like English language, but it also incorporates numbers, songs, animals, and sentence building. So students that can benefit from this app are students who have expressive and reception language, motor deficiency in speech, speech delay, children with apraxia of speech, autism, Down syndrome, ADHD, and sensory processing disorder. Speech Blub, one cool thing is Speech Blub is offered in English, Spanish, French, and Portuguese. So there is a wide range. So for instance, especially for this class, we've learned a lot about English language learners. And so since there is that, for instance, in my class, I have a Spanish speaking student and who does suffer or who does have a speech delay. So he uses this app as well. And so he can go back and forth between Spanish and English if he wants to, whichever he, prefers. So here's a quick little video clip. So again, this app can be downloaded with iPhones and Androids, so on your phone or if you have a tablet. And then, so Speech Blub was made with the help of over 1,000 speech and language pathologists. So we can tell that there's been a lot of thought around this app. And then it is voice controlled, speaking through video modeling, face filters, speech recognition. And so it costs for personal use, it costs $14.49 a month, and then annually $59.99. And then school license, you can contact customer support. So I personally just purchased it, and then I can use it on multiple devices. So I just gave my parents the little information to log in. Then we have our how it assists. So the pros is that it helps with instruction, assessment, and engagement in the classroom. Instruction, you can use this, you can teach some sounds, and then the student can go off on their own and practice. Assessment, it provides an assessment, an initial assessment, and then it kind of road maps where we want to see the student progress. And then it is engagement in the classroom. If we were teaching in class, we could project it onto our smart board and then have a whole class instruction with it. So the only con I was thinking was, or a couple of them, is that there's not the pricing for one. It can be pricey for individuals, and it can also, I'm not sure how much it would cost for the school to roll it out, but then how it is only for Android or iPhone and Android users. So if it was more computer savvy, then I would say those are the two cons that I would think. But those are the only things, and just thank you for joining me.